The autism, world biggest problem of the children's autistic children's. It's in the Nazi era. There is a key group from 1938 to 1941. Hitler orders them to kill these children because they will be a problem for the world, for the country. So Dr. Asperger, who diagnosed the difference that there is a social disconnection, the interaction is not good. Few different kind of children is there which are against the normal children's. So he differentiate and he define ASD, autistic spectrum disorder. So autism spectrum disorder is ASD is autism, which explains that the verbal communication, non-verbal communication is not good. Sometimes these children are very hyper and they don't give attention on the voice of the parents, and the social interaction is not good in between the another children's. They love to live isolatedly, and some children can't talk. This is a neural developmental disorder, and from 1941 the American Psychiatric Association defined the mental ailments. Another also diseases, OSD and ADHD and special children's, and even the schizophrenia and another mental disease. They all are registered in the American Psychiatric Association. So these autistic children's is the part of that association, and they have defined the special schools for them and another type of treatments, and that will very helpful for those autistic children to get rid of some symptoms, dyscalculia, dyslexia, the missing of the numbers counting, and forget the numbers and names. So all these things exist in autism. But my belief is little bit different from this. That I believe that the approach for the autistic children is not that roundabout. I have seen 40 to 50 lakh statements of the parents. They are not satisfied. They are not feel any recovery. The cure them in the children. But they are joining the that school, special schools, and when they left the school, there is no specific improvement in the children. So ADHD, OCD, and autistic children, what to do for them? If ABA, applied behavioral therapy, is not working, MCAT is not working, what we have to do? My approach for the autistic children is this: that the three parts of the brain, hippocampus, amygdala, and master gland, they are not working properly because the imaginations which convert the imagination into words is based in the hippocampus, and then to say and talk, amygdala and master gland is involved in this process. So you may visit my website in Malik Heritage.com. You can see the evidence how credibly autistic children recover, and this is a very good evidence. It's really a great work for those children, and especially for their parents, which are disappointed. And I have created medicine EST 1 and 2. This is name with the brand name. This one and two. It works on the astrocytes. Astrocytes, neural cell system in which the medicine works. I believe the electrolytic level, the blood flow, the oxygen level is not enough. The nerve conduction, the nerve impulse is not normal in the autistic children. So we have to treat these three parts of the master gland and the amygdala and hippocampus. If we treat these areas of pain, the speech will improve, the eye contact will be improved, the body language will be changed, the clumsy look will be changed, the social eye contact will be changed, and if the children can't talk all the day, he weeps and he is hyper active, so it will become normal. He is able to talk. He is able to live like a normal children. So for the autistic children, My belief is this, that you have to treat these major three parts of the brain if you want that your children should be normal in the world and live a normal life and can do his works, can go for the normal schools or normal studies. You have to treat these areas of brain. If you think you are not treating this, it is impossible, because I will let you explain you the biggest autistic children's that autism is in Japan after the nuclear fusion in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The uranium and plutonium bomb was used in the critical disaster and critical destruction, and the mutagens occurs, and the animals and the birds and the insects and the humans are not growing normally. They have a abnormal level, and God destiny help them to get rid of autism. So they use worship the fossil tree, and you found fossil tree in every home of the Japanese, because the one tree which fight against that radioactive isotopes radiations, that is ginkgo biloba, and it is known as fossil tree, and that fossil tree gave a new life to Japanese. So it doesn't mention in any books, and either in the American Psychiatric Association, that Japan is the one country in the world who overcome the autism. What they use, what they have for their brain and body. So that is a mutagen factor which they have overcome. To treat the DNA, to treat the damage to the DNA, you have to use some these kind of special things. So I've used the stem cells, name as the placenta cells. It's created also in homeopathy. It works same as the stem cells work. Actually, what I'm talking about the